How you doing? I'm Jeffery Phipps out of West Palm Beach, Florida. This is a 1948 Chevrolet Fleetline. It's basically a stock-bodied car. We haven't done anything to the body. We took 3 inches out of the nose, right at the front, to lower the front of the hood down. It's got about 3/4 of a custom chassis underneath of it, all air ride suspension, 4-link rear suspension. We run 20-inch wheels in the back, 18-inch wheels in the front, and it has no paint on it. I had the whole car soda blasted, so it's all raw steel, and we put oil on it to keep it from rusting. It's been like this for a while, and I'm in the hot rod interior business, so of course I have a cow print fur interior. What else would a guy that does interiors have? And it runs a little small block Chevy 305. Gets 30 miles a gallon. And it's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and pretty much go anywhere you want it to go.
Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube.